Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Now move to the practice set 4.2, construction of tangents. In this practice set we are going to construct the tangent. This is the second practice set of lesson construction of tangents. Question number 1. Construct a tangent to a circle with center P and radius 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. Here in this question we have to construct a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Then we have to take point M on a circle. Then from point M we have to construct a tangent to the circle. So in this question, first step is to construct the circle by taking the radius 3.2. So by taking radius 3.2, first of all draw a circle. Then on circle take point M. From point M draw tangent. Okay, so let's start the construction. So first of all I am showing you a rough figure. So draw a circle whose radius is 3.2 centimeter. Now take point M on a circle. The center of a circle we take as O. Now from point M draw a tangent. So this is a rough figure. I hope from the rough figure you got the idea how to construct. So let's start the fair construction. Measure 3.2 distance on a compass. Then draw circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. So this is your circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Mark as center point O. So point O is the center of this circle. Now from center of the circle draw a ray. From the center of a circle draw a ray. This part is the radius of a circle. Here I take point M. Now from center O draw a ray. So this is a ray from center to the exterior part of a circle. Now keep the tip of the compass on point M and cut this ray at left and right. Now from first arc draw two arcs above and below. And keep the tip of the compass on the center of a circle, that means another point of the ray, and cut the previous arc. Now join these arcs. After joining you get the tangents passing from point M. Okay, so this is the tangent passed from point M. This is question number 1. Okay, so first of all in this question we draw a circle of radius 3.2. Then on a circle we take point M. Then from center of a circle we draw a ray in the exterior from center to the exterior part of a circle. Then we from point M we draw perpendicular bisector. And after joining this perpendicular bisector you get the tangents, which is tangent which pass from point M. Now move to the question number 2. Draw a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. Draw a tangent to a circle at any point on it. This question is also same as question number 1. But here is our choice to take any point on a circle. So first of all I am showing you a rough figure of this construction. So this is a circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. The question is take any point. So I take here point A. From point A we are going to draw the tangent. Okay. So this is the rough figure. Now start the fair figure as question number 1. Same as question number 1. First measure 2.7 distance on a compass and draw a circle of radius 2.7. Mark as center point O. Now from center draw a ray. The radius of this circle is 2.7 centimeter and center is O. From center draw a ray from center to the exterior part of the center. Now draw a tangent similar way as we draw in question number 1. So first of all, keep the tip of the compass on point A and cut this ray at left and right. Now draw the perpendicular bisector which is passing from point A. So this is your tangent of the circle of radius 2.7 centimeter. These two questions are same and these questions carries 2 marks in exam. Now move to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is draw a circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. Draw a tangent to a circle at any point on it without using a center. Now remember here in this question we can't touch or we can't use the center of a circle. If you remember in question number 1 and question number 2 we use the center, but in this question we can't use the center of a circle. Okay. So first of all I am showing you rough figure. First of all draw a circle. Now in this question we can't touch the center of a circle because the question is draw the tangent without using the center of a circle. So in this type of question draw 3 chords of a circle as that these 3 chords form a triangle. Okay. In question number 1 and 2 we draw a ray from center to the exterior part of a circle, but in this question the question is draw a tangent without using center, so we can't use the center of a circle in this type of question. So in this type of question draw 3 chords as these 3 chords form a figure of triangle. Draw 3 chords. So this is a rough figure. Now start the fair construction. Measure the distance of radius on a compass and draw the circle. Mark the center of a circle as point O. Now take a scale and draw 3 chords without any measure. Just draw 3 chords. From any point you can start. Just draw 3 chords as these 3 chords form a triangle. Okay. Now take any point from which you want to draw the tangent. Okay. Take any point. Now these 3 chords intersect a circle at 3 points. So out of these 3 points, take any one point from which you want to draw the tangent. Now measure any one angle by using the compass. By the same measurement, cut the another angle to the exterior part of a circle. Now measure the interior gap of the angle. Cut the same measure in the exterior part of a circle. Okay. Now join these 2 points. After joining, you get tangent. Now join these 2 points, the point of chord and the point you get. Join this point, now you get this is the tangent to the circle. Name as point. Any name you can give. I am giving here point K. Okay. In this question, First step is we draw a circle. Then after drawing a circle, we draw 3 chords to the circle, as these 3 chords form a triangle. Then we measure any one angle of this triangle. With the same measure we cut another angle to the exterior part of a circle. Then we cut this angle to the exterior part. Then after joining you get the tangent to the circle. Okay. Now move to the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is draw a circle of radius 3.3. Draw a chord PQ of length 6.6 cm. Draw tangent to the circle at point P and Q. Write your observation about the tangents. Okay. So first of all, I am showing you rough figure. This is a circle of radius 3.3 cm and center of a circle is O. Now see here, chord PQ is given to you 6.6 cm and radius is given to you 3.3 cm. Then if you observe 3.3 multiplied by 2 is 6.6. That means chord PQ is nothing but the diameter of a circle. Okay. So chord PQ is just twice the radius. So that's why chord PQ is nothing but the diameter of a circle. And you know that the diameter is also a chord of a circle. Okay. Now let's start the figure construction. Take 3.3 distance on a compass and draw a circle of radius 3.3. Okay. Center of a circle is O. Now draw chord PQ. As I show you, chord PQ is nothing but the diameter of a circle. So draw the diameter PQ. So this diameter PQ is nothing but the chord. Write the measures. OQ is the radius and radius is 3.3 cm and PQ is the diameter and the diameter, that is chord PQ, is 6.6 cm. Now the next step, we have to draw the tangent from point P and Q. Now draw the ray from center to the exterior part of a circle, both sides, because we have to draw the tangent from point P and point Q. Now same as question number 1, keep your tip of the compass at point P and draw perpendicular bisector. Then this perpendicular bisector, or you can say that the side bisector, is nothing but the tangents which passes from point P. Now repeat the same process and draw the tangent from point Q. Keep your tip of compass on point Q and draw the side bisector. First of all, keep the tip of the compass on point Q and draw 2 arcs on left and right side. Then draw the side bisector, and this side bisector is nothing but the tangent from point Q. Okay. Now here we have to write the observation about the tangent. If you observe, tangent L and M are parallel to each other. Okay. So write your observation. Tangents are parallel to each other. Tangents are parallel to each other. The property of parallel lines are passing from same distance. So these tangents are also passing from same distance. So that's why these two tangents are parallel to each other. Okay. In this question, first of all, we draw a circle, then we draw chord PQ. As we observe, chord PQ is nothing but the diameter of a circle. Then from point P and Q, we draw 2 tangents from this circle, same as question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Next question is question number 5. Draw a circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord MN of length 5.7 centimeter. Then construct the tangents from point M and N on the circle. This question is same as question number 4. But just the difference is, in question number 4 chord is the diameter, but here chord MN is not the diameter, because 3.4 twice of 3.4 is 6.8 and chord MN is 5.7 centimeter. So as same as question number 4, you have to construct question number 5. This question is homework for you. I am showing you rough figure. See here. This question is homework for you. Just I am explaining these steps how to construct. The first step is draw circle by taking the radius 3.4 centimeter. Give the name to the center of a circle as point O. Now take a scale and draw chord MN of 5.7 centimeter. Measuring with the scale, draw chord MN of 5.7 centimeter. Okay. Now join this point M and N with center. That means draw a ray from center to the exterior part of a circle passing from point M and N. Now take a compass, keep the tip of the compass and point M and draw two arcs on left and right on ray OM. Then from point OM draw a bisector that is passing from point M. Similar way, keep the tip of the compass on point N and draw two arcs on ray ON on left and right side. Then draw bisector of this ray. This bisector is passes from point N, so this is the tangent from point N. Okay. So follow this rough figure and the steps I explain you. Draw this figure. This question is homework for you. Next is question number 6. Question number 6 is draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4. Take point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter from the center. Construct the tangent to the circle from point Q. Here in this question, you have to construct a circle of 3.4 centimeter. Then you have to take point Q at a distance of 5.5 from center. Then you have to construct the tangent from point Q. So I am showing you rough figure. See the rough figure of this construction. Point P is the center of a circle of radius 3.4. From point P at a distance of 5.5, we take point Q. Okay. Point Q lies in the exterior part of a circle. So you have to draw the tangent to the circle from exterior point Q. Okay. So this is a rough figure. Now start fair construction. Measure 3.4 distance on a compass and draw circle of radius 3.4. Mark center as point P. From point P, take point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter by using scale. With the help of scale, take point P, point Q at a distance of 5.5 from center. Distance of point Q from center is 5.5 centimeter. And the radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. Now you have to construct the tangent from point Q. Bisect this segment PQ. Take more than half distance and bisect this segment PQ. You know how to bisect a segment. First keep the tip of the compass on first point and draw two arcs above and below. Then keep the tip of the compass on another point and cut the previous arc. This is your bisector. This is the bisector of segment PQ. This bisector intersects segment PQ at one point Consider this point as a center of a circle. Draw another circle passing from point P and Q. The point of intersection of bisector and segment PQ consider as a center and draw another circle passing from point PQ. Now this circle intersects previous circle, that means the radius 3.4 circle at 2 points. Mark them as point A and B. Now join point A and B with Q. So this is your tangent to the circle from point exterior point Q. Okay. First of all, draw the circle of radius 3.4. Take a point Q at a distance of 5.5 centimeter. Then bisect segment PQ. Point of intersection of bisector. Consider as a center of a circle and draw another circle. This circle intersect previous circle at 2 points. Join point Q with this 2 points. This is the tangent from point Q. Question number 7 is same as question number 6. Draw a circle with center 4.1 centimeter. Construct a tangent to the circle from point of a distance of 7.3 centimeter from the center. This is the rough figure. So as per the rough figure, first of all draw the circle of 3.4 centimeter. Mark at the center as point E. Take point F on a circle. Then from F take a point A in the exterior of a circle. From point A you have to construct the circle. You have to construct the tangent. Now bisect EA. Bisect EA. The bisector intersect segment EA at one point. Name that point as M. By considering that point as a center, draw another circle. This another circle intersects circle at 2 points. Name them as point P and Q, whatever you want. Now join point A with this 2 points. This is your tangent from point A. This question is homework. So here we complete our practice set 4.2. I hope you understood all the construction of one tangent by using center, construction of tangent without using center, and construct of tangent from exterior point of a circle. Okay. Draw all the constructions, solve all the questions. In next lecture we will start new lesson, that is trigonometry. So complete your notebook up to the question number lesson number 5. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallahu khair.